Is there any benefit to hiding your YouTube subscriber count? What's up, Tuber Nation? I'm Brad.
And I'm Nikki. What up?
You spent a huge amount of time producing fascinating and appealing videos to generate hundreds, thousands, or dare I say millions of views, subscribers, and eventually money from ad revenue and brand deals. Yeah, you're a baller, an overnight celebrity, and stinky filthy rich.
Yeah, okay, from posting hamster videos.
Okay, maybe I got carried away. But after working that hard, why would you not want your viewers to know how popular your channel is? You have a low subscriber count that you would rather not make public until you had a chance to grow it to, let's say, 1,000 or more subscribers.
I hide my sub count. What's the problem?
I get it. A channel may choose to mask the number of subscribers it has until it has a bigger following. A low subscriber count may put some viewers off, unless you produce exactly the niche content that they have been looking for. Whether you are on the fence about hiding or showing your sub count, to check your settings in the YouTube Studio, click on Settings on the left, then Channel on the left of the new window, Advanced Settings at the top, and finally scroll down to see if the display number of people subscribed to my channel is checked off or on to the way that you want it to be set up. But before you uncheck that option, please consider removing your subscriber count screams out to the community that you are not being transparent. It just does not sit right with many people, and that may be completely unfair, but when 99% of YouTubers choose to show their subscriber count, a channel that does not show their sub count will stick out like a sore thumb.
So, I don't care.
One way of being successful is that you must allow the community to embrace you. People will want to see your growth, see you in the valleys, see you climb in the mountain, watch you fall a little, and more importantly, watch you get back up. And when you get to the top of that mountain, your victory will be a little sweeter for the people who knew you when you started at the bottom. Look at some of these comments. These are your ride or dies. These are the people who want to see your journey from 0 to 100 to 1,000 and beyond, and they want to see it in real time. After your first 100 subscribers, the next milestone is 1,000 subscribers. To become subscribe worthy, to become a subject matter expert, to be able to live stream and post multimedia in your community tab. And oh, before I forget, one of the major steps to becoming monetized. Consider starting a founders club. The qualifier can be your first 100, 500, or 1,000 subscribers. People like to feel like they are part of something big, and they want to help. This technique can quickly drum up new subs. How long does it really take to get to 1,000 subscribers? Click the card on your screen now, or look for the link in the description. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and find me on IG. I love you, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.